All right, so we're doing lesson 1-9, comparing numbers written in scientific notation. So building off of last lesson where we were writing them in scientific notation, here we're going to start comparing them. So which one's bigger, or are they the same? Before we do that, if we do the kickoff here, if we rewrite this, start by writing your 9, 6, 1, those three non-zero numbers that we have in front here. The -3 means we're going to make it smaller, so we're going to make the decimal go to the left, and we're going to move it 3 times. So once around the 9, 2, 3, so we're going to add 2 zeros here. So we're going to be at 0.00961. And we are all blurry. Sorry. There, that looks better. All right, so when we start comparing, so which sign makes the statement true? Well, first we need to get them in the same form. Right now we have one in decimal notation, one in scientific notation. So let's convert this one over to a number. So the 1 being positive, we're going to move it 1 time, and it's going to go to the right. Since we're positive, we're going to make it bigger. So it'd go to there, which makes this 92. 92, 92 are equal. Next one here, so 1.84 times 10 to the negative first. So we're going to move it 1 time to the left. So 0.184. Over here, we're going to move it 1 time to the left and make it 0.7840. So as we go through, is 1 or 7, this first digit here, which one's bigger? Well, the 7 is. So we would circle this one here, showing this one's bigger. It's going to eat the bigger one or point to the lesser one, depending on which way you want to look at that. So, which sign makes the statement true? Well, for 5.9 times 10 to the 5th, again, we want to make that so that they're the same. Now, if I go back one, we could have also looked at this as these are both to the negative first. So if we just look at this 1's digit, 1 is less than 7. That could work too. But it's a good habit to get them to be the same by expanding them out. That's how I guess I like to do it, but you can do it however. So 5 times, it's a positive 5, means we're going to move it 5 to the right. So 5, 9, once, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add 4 zeros, makes it the same. So we're going to be equal. And lastly, here, especially if we look, we have 2 different numbers here for our scientific notation. Our numbers also, this one technically isn't in scientific notation because we don't have a single digit. So we need to write them so that we're dealing with the same stuff. So if we're to the -1, we're going to move this one more time out. So 0.006285. The other one, we're going to move it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 0.1236285. So as we go across, we're zeros. The next digit, another zeros. And we hit a 6, and we're still a 0 here. So that's going to be the second one. The first one will be larger. So that's the lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.